Crime, an illegal act or activity that is punishable by law. Stealing is a serious crime. Criminal, a person who commits a crime. The police arrested the criminal last night. Victim, a person who suffers because of a crime. The victim lost his wallet during the robbery. Robbery, the act of stealing money or property from a person or place using force. The bank robbery shocked the whole city. Theft, taking someone's property without permission. Theft is a common problem in big cities. Burglar, a person who breaks into a house or building to steal. The burglar entered through the window. Murder, the act of killing someone intentionally. He was arrested for murder. Assault, a violent attack on someone. The man was charged with assault after hitting another person. Kidnapping, taking someone away by force and keeping them prisoner. The police rescued the child from a kidnapping case. Fraud, dishonest behavior to get money or advantage. Online fraud has become very common these days. Bribery, giving money or gifts to influence someone's decision. Bribery is a serious offense in many countries. Smuggling, secretly bringing illegal goods into a country. The police stopped the smuggling of gold at the airport. Blackmail, demanding money by threatening to reveal secrets. She was arrested for blackmailing a businessman. Corruption, dishonest or illegal behavior by people in power. Corruption destroys public trust in the government. Forgery, making fake documents, money or signatures. The passport was found to be a forgery. Shoplifting, stealing goods from a shop. The girl was caught shoplifting at the mall. Arson, setting fire to a building or property on purpose. The factory fire was a case of arson. Cybercrime, crimes committed using computers or the internet. Hacking is a common type of cybercrime. Investigation, a careful search or examination to find out the truth. The police started an investigation into the murder case.